a testament to early automotive ingenuity. The 1930 Chevy AD Universal remains a timeless classic, embodying the essence of pre-war American craftsmanship. Designed to cater to the growing demands of personal and commercial transportation, this model set a new standard for durability and versatility. Chevrolet, already a dominant force in the industry, introduced the AD Universal as an evolution of its previous models, incorporating refinements that made it an instant success. Powered by a robust 194 cubic inch Inline-6 engine, the AD Universal generated 50 horsepower, an impressive figure for its time. The engine's innovative overhead valve design ensured greater efficiency and reliability compared to its flathead counterparts. Paired with a 3-speed manual transmission, the vehicle provided smooth acceleration and a respectable top speed, making it a dependable workhorse for both urban and rural settings. The interior of the Chevy AD Universal reflected the era's practicality, offering a no-nonsense approach to comfort. Bench seating, a simple yet functional dashboard, and a spacious cabin allowed drivers and passengers to travel with ease. Wooden accents and metal trim adorn the interior, enhancing its vintage appeal while maintaining a utilitarian focus. Over the years, many enthusiasts have restored these interiors with period-correct materials, preserving the authenticity of this automotive relic. Chevrolet's dedication to innovation was evident in the AD Universal's design. The introduction of an improved suspension system enhanced ride quality, while the addition of mechanical brakes on all four wheels provided better stopping power, crucial safety advancement for the time. The vehicle's distinct front grille, prominent fenders, and classic split windshield contributed to its instantly recognizable silhouette throughout its production. Modifications and aftermarket enhancements have kept the AD Universal relevant among collectors. Custom restorations often include modern braking systems, upgraded upholstery, and enhanced engine components, blending classic aesthetics with contemporary performance. Some restorers even opt for full frame-off restorations, ensuring the car retains its historical integrity while meeting modern driving expectations. Today, the value of a well-preserved 1930 Chevy AD Universal varies, with pristine examples commanding prices between $20,000 and $40,000, depending on originality and restoration quality. Its growing appeal among vintage car enthusiasts ensures its place in automotive history as a symbol of resilience and innovation. Does the Chevy AD Universal still stand as a true classic in today's collector scene? With its blend of timeless design and pioneering engineering, it remains an icon of early American motoring. Be part of our thriving community as we explore the finest automobiles ever crafted. Are you ready to rediscover automotive greatness?